Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. Today I'm going to give you one of my top hacks for adding embellishments to my acrylic pour paintings, and that is adding a temporary tattoo to an acrylic pour. There's so many different options that you can get online for temporary tattoos, and you just apply them largely the same way that you would on your skin or following the directions, but I have a couple of tips for you in this video. So let's get started. I want to make an important distinction here that I am using an acrylic pour painting, and that has been dry for a good 2 weeks. You really want to make sure that it's set and ready to go. If you have not used acrylic pour techniques, I would recommend doing some kind of varnish over the top to make sure that your acrylic paint is not going to run underneath. If you're putting water on it, it might change or dull your colors. So that's just one caveat I wanted to mention. So I'm just taking the plastic off of the tattoo, and I'm just checking the placement here to make sure that it's in the right spot that I would like it to be. So take your time in making sure that it's going to give you the composition that you're looking for. I actually have a video of how I created this tie-dye effect, and I'll put a link to that right here. So I'm just spraying some water onto the tattoo. I'm just making sure it gets really saturated. Don't be afraid to use a lot of water here. I'm also going to put a wet towel on top, and this is going to help that water really soak through. This takes a few minutes. I let this set for a good 5 minutes before I tried to take off the tattoo. So you want to just slowly peel it back, and you'll see if there's any spots that are still not sticking, you can just remove those with your finger and just very slowly peel back that paper backing. All right, this is our final product. As you can see, it was super simple, easy to do, and look at that really neat effect that it gave us. So after this dries for a few days, I would put a layer of Mod Podge on top of that. You don't want to use regular spray varnish because that's going to change the colors in your tattoo. Well, that's all I have for today. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you again for more videos and do-it-yourself art tutorials. See you next time.